Today we're going to test more products from wish.com. What we got?
A bag.
Perfect. A bag. Oh, I know this is. This is the center punch. We're going to cut this one open. So yeah, this is a center punch from wish.com. So we open it. Oh, ooh. That actually doesn't look that bad. Thoroughly shocked. I thought this looked way worse. Just like a normal center punch that you can get like from Home Depot or Lowe's or Princess Auto.
Why does it go in?
Huh?
Why does it go in?
Because it's a center punch. So once you press enough force on this, it will bounce back and shoot out that way. So we need some metal to test this on, and wood. A little springy. We're gonna test it out. We got some wood there, we got a shelf over there, we got some aluminum metal over there, I think. No, that's steel over there. We have aluminum somewhere, I'm not too sure. All right, we got a nice clean piece of steel here, center punch. There's no manual or anything with this, so we're just gonna press down and see what happens. It's a very small hole, not too bad. If we loosen it, I guess, that's how it works. Oh wait, no, so this just unscrews it completely. I think that.
Is that the spring?
Yeah, I think that's the spring. So I think this loosens it. Maybe that loosens it. I'm not too sure.
I mean, it definitely give you a little guiding hole.
Yeah, that's what a center punch is. It makes a guiding hole for the drill, so you're good to go. But this is actually really weak. I don't know if I would use this, honestly, like, because the center punch I have, it's one solid piece and it's loud and it's strong. This definitely marks it up, but it's not what you want. Here's the marks. You can kind of see them at this angle, but they're really tiny. They're not like what you would expect. I got one off of Amazon that's way more powerful than this that actually leaves actual indents for the drill. So I don't think this is good for steel, but we'll try for wood.
Will it work better than the crossbow?
Hmm?
Will it work better than the crossbow?
I don't know. We'll test it out though. You can see that? Yeah, look. Kind of blends in. So you have a mark from the crossbow to center punch. And we have this guy right here. Okay, that's way better. If I just lightly press it. Damn, that's pretty good. All right, so here we go, pressing it down. Hey, that's not bad at all. I'm genuinely impressed. That actually works. It's way better than the crossbow. So, actual test, we'll press down. We're not going to slam it down. We're pressing it until we get resistance. There's the resistance. It makes a nice hole. We have Phillips as well. That's what I used before I had a center punch. It's a lot bigger. You got gunk on this. So I kind of don't want to use that, I guess. All right, we got like Phillips that's cleaned now. We're going to test it. Press that down. Are they comparable? Kind of. I don't know. This would definitely be good for woodworking. It would not be good for fabricating anything with metal. So I would buy this because I do have all my wood tools and whatnot. I would definitely use this for that. But when I weld and whatnot, I don't think I'd use this. Would I buy it again? Well, this was $4, I think. Yeah, it's pretty good. I'd buy it. Let's dissect this though. So this is the entire assembly for the center punch. You have the nail, you have the hammerhead. This is not the striking head I thought it was. This is actually just a piston, has air in there. So as it collapses, the tip of this right here presses on this hole, which creates a negative or positive pressure. That's what I think it does. I'm not too sure. And obviously you have a spring reacting against it. On the inside of here, you have just a hole on the inside, smaller hole, so that they don't interfere with each other, which creates the punch action. I thought I would have to cut this up in half in order to figure out how this all worked, but this is actually pretty easy. So you have your nail. pops in here for the center punch. You have your hammerhead part, goes in there, then casing. So if you press down like this, there's no firing back to it because this guy's not here. So this guy goes in, you press down, there's still no firing back because you need the resistance from the spring. And then once you have the resistance from the spring, you can make a hole. So yeah, I'm actually more impressed than I thought taking this apart from how it works. So yeah, I would not buy this if I was just doing fabrication and whatnot. I would definitely buy this for woodworking, 100%. I think it was only $4. But yeah, I do recommend this. Thanks for watching. See you. Cool. You can have this if you want.
Like, keep it?
Yep.